Hello everyone, this is Dax from Electro Guy. We're going to do a Starlink installation today. So let's open up the box, see what we have in here. So we have our tripod mount, so that's generally for a ground installation, but today we're going to be mounting this dish on the roof. Everything comes plugged in together, which makes it easy to figure out where all the connections go. So this is the dish here. That's the mounting part that can either clip into the tripod mount. The roof mount also has the same type of connection. We have our indoor power supply. We have our 100 feet of cabling that we're going to have to run inside the house once we install the dish. And then here's our modem. So this is the Starlink roof mount kit. So this is something that you have to purchase separate from the actual dish kit. So opening up the box, we have some cable clips to make it a nice neat install when you're installing it on the roof. You can clip the cable down nicely. It comes with some roof sealant, so it has some patch here that you can put between the roof and the mount to make sure the roof is sealed properly. Here's the mount. They call this the Volcano Mount. That's the name that Starlink calls it. Again, this is just going to clip right onto the dish. It has these little clips here, so that'll just clip right on once you get this installed on the roof. Comes with some lag screws and lag bolts, and it even has this, and you might be wondering what this is. This is actually a little backpack unit. It has a little sling, so once you get the mount installed on the roof, you can put the dish inside this little backpack to carry it up onto the roof. So let's get started on the install. Okay, so we have all of our tools now to do the roof mount installation. So we have our drill here to do pilot holes for the lag screws. We have two longer screws, which we're going to use for the center of the volcano mount to go right into the roof joist. We have our hammer to find the roof joist. We have our 1/2-inch impact driver and socket, which fits the lag bolts. And then we also have our roof patch. So this is this membrane patch we're going to put on the back on both ends. You can see it's a nice sticky tar-like substance to help create a membrane between the mount and the roof. So we're now ready to install the mount. Okay, so now we're going to find the stud or the roof joist. So if you listen, there. Okay, so I'm going to take the mount now and I'm going to stick it onto the roof. Now I'm going to do my pilot hole for my I'm going to take one of the longer lag bolts. Alright, that's nice and secure. Now we'll do our second one that's going into the roof joist. See that membrane is sealing well into the roof. Now I'm going to just drill out the floor here. Now we're going to put in our remaining 4 lag screws. Now we're just going to get the cabling all strapped down and we'll connect it up. So you can see we've brought the cable down the eaves trough downspout. We strapped it and kind of hid it in behind there so it's nice and neat and clean. So as you can see, we brought the cable under the deck and up through, and then we used the existing hole that the Bell internet was running into. We just had to ream the hole out a little larger to get the Starlink cable through, and then we've patched it up using the same sealant that there were some small pieces of roof patch that we were able to put in the hole and seal it using that. So this is currently what the customer's using. This is a Bell LTE service that connects to a tower. So I'm going to show you an internet speed test of this, and then we're